Hello everyone, welcome back. I know not everything's completely ready. As you can see from behind me, we still need a new door, but I'm excited to get the channel back up and running. So I've got some budget tech from The Range, which is an establishment in the UK which sells budget and cheap products for people, and I've had a little look today and we found some little bits, so let's get started with it. So this is what we've got. We've got here a bamboo wireless charging speaker, a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger, and something Apple couldn't do, well, it might not be exactly the same, but a foldable 3-in-1 charger. So we'll save that one to the end. So first of all is something that I think is a bit IKEA-esque with a bamboo top. A little speaker, probably not going to be the best, but let's give it a little go in this video and see what we can do. I'm going to guess that none of these have plugs, so it's a good thing I've got a few spares. In typical fashion, I didn't bring a knife, did I? To 1 minute. There we go. I'm back. So let's get into this. I know I bought this for a reason. There we go. So, oh, what have we got? Oh, that's a good start. USB-C. That's what we like to see. This bar around here lights. Okay, that's quite smart. So the USB-C is quite well routed underneath there, as you can see. Let's get some power to this. Oh, my wire's a bit chunky for this. Actually, that fits quite snug. Oh. Let's see if we compare it to the laptop. Now we need to find something that's got some royalty free. We do a Linus Tech Tips. I don't even know what that video is called. Let's search dancing crap. There it is. You know what? Away the lad. It's actually decent. I'm actually quite impressed with that. I'd say that's pretty decent, to be fair. That's a good little speaker, and maybe a little night light as well. 5-watt wireless charging, but for a little nightstand, it probably might not be that bad. Let's have a look. AirPods. Will it work? There's a little sound. You can't quite see the little light, but yeah, I might not feel comfortable putting a phone on this at night. But all in all, the quality is really good. That's a nice little night light, and for your AirPods, it's okay. Really good. I'm quite impressed with that. Give that one probably 7 out of 10. So this is the one I'm actually really looking forward to. This one here. So I've been looking at something similar from Anker. Right, let's have a little look. Again, it's looking good. USB-C again. This features a nightstand, a little night light. You can see just around there. It's actually a really good finish. It's quite soft plastic. And if we have a look here, this flips up to be your little nightstand section for the iPhone, which I'll have to demo because again, I'm recording on my phone. I think as a YouTuber, I need a second phone. Put in the comments what you think. I want to fold, maybe the Pixel Fold. Let me know which one you think I should get. So yeah, so this bit folds out here for the Apple Watch, which I can test. And a little space here. It's quite a narrow space though for the AirPods. Let's plug this in. See what the lights look like. Oh, bit of RGB there. That's strobe lighting, so if you're epileptic you probably don't want to pick this up. You can see I'll do some B-roll, which I'll play now, of all 3 devices at once. I think that's quite decent. You could take this on holiday. You could put it in your suitcase or in your backpack for have it at work maybe. Or if you've got a gaming setup with the RGB and you just want something for standby mode and to charge all your bits, I'd say that's pretty decent. Possibly another 7 out of 10. I'm going to give it a 6 for now, but for the price, again, decent. So now we're moving on to something that it's not quite what Apple tried to do, but it's similar, and we've seen similar products from Belkin and people like that. So it's our 3-in-1 folding charger. Right, now this might be going straight in the backpack, depending on the quality and how good it is. But let's see, and again, USB-C, good stuff. 5 watt, 15 watt on the main coil, and then 5 watt for the watch and for the AirPods. So let's have a look. Okay, feels good for now. I mean, how the materials in these products will last over time, I'm not sure. It's secured by magnets, quite decent. So that's the closed package. Like this. But I'll just tell a quick story. When the second generation iPad 2 came out and you had the Smart Folio, over time the connections in these bendy parts just worn away, so it was useless. But we'll see. So let's have a look at this anyway. Again, like I say, I'll do some B-roll to show all 3 devices. Oh, there we go. So it's a little stand as well. Now that's useful, but I'm already going to see a problem with this. Landscape only. Where's the phone going to go? So yeah, landscape for watching a movie. That's quite a smart little idea. Let's get that plugged in there. Ah! What happened there? That wasn't very good, was it? Should we get things back up and running? But now the charger's working at least, so that's good. That's stuck in my head now. I'm going to give it a 5 just because the quality, and I don't feel like it's going to last over time. Quality is okay, but I just think this is going to degrade over time. But I'll put it to its tests, and we'll do a catch-up video in a few weeks once all these things have been used for a bit longer. So 5 out of 10 at the moment, but that is subject to change. We'll see how it goes after a week or two. Yeah, that one's okay. And another added bonus as I didn't think. Yeah, quite pocketable, quite portable. Yeah, I like that. So while I'm thinking about it, the channel's very young on its relaunch. I'd like to do more. I'd like to do more DIY, more budget stuff. So please consider liking, subscribing, and drop some comments along just to give me an idea of what you like. And for now, that's it.